down here in northwest Louisiana. I got my Ruger LC9 back from Ruger. Had to send it off. Had a Sear spring popping up. I tried manually to pop it back down, but it kept popping out. So I figured I better send it back off to them. So they had it for 7 days. Sent it back to me. Good time frame. That was great. Got it right back. And I'm down here at the range. I got 100 rounds, 9mm, 115 grain. Just some bulk ammo. And I'm gonna see how it shoots. Just started raining out here. I'll start off with a 7-rounder. Oh, ran smooth. It's good indication.